Sorry, just having fun getting some clips of this because it just looks so nice. I wish I had my film camera here. I really like taking images of the corners of buildings. I'm like, look at that one, that's so nice looking. See, whenever I zoom out like this, it uses the other image sensor. Yeah. And I don't think it's quite as useful in this case. It's not as clear. But if I go boop and go in, it, well, it's the better image sensor, and so it's just higher quality. I kind of like how this shot's coming out. So this will be one of those editless videos that I'll upload. So we have 2 of those now. Okay. We were just filming a video, but it's so hectic in there that we don't really know what to film. And we're both pretty tired on this trip, so we decided to take episode 1, 2, and a bit of 3 and replicate some shots. And so we went through the insides and stuff, but you know, you won't be able to see that until we get, thumbprints all over the lenses. That's one issue with this camera. You know, you won't be able to see the video until we get home and edit through all this. And we have so much footage to edit through now because we filmed so many videos. But this is something we can immediately upload, you know? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can, remember, one of the first videos I actually went out here. I know it's busy, but get a good shot like that. You know, I think when we actually upload these videos, I think I can change the name to, you know, because before it was the Red Rooster Restoration. Now it's the Red Rooster Restored. Yeah. Because it's done. And that's the brewery in there. That's pretty much it. That's I'll probably be able to use some of that footage in our main edited video. Oh yeah. But let's just go to Bill's house and upload this footage real quick so the viewers can see. Because, you know, my viewers are probably dying to see this. I mean, I've been coming here over the years, but I haven't actually recorded anything of it. And it's just so beautiful. They've repointed everything. They've restored everything. It's beautiful. And most of all, they're making beer now. They're actually making some alcohol.